Stop sending those boring default WooCommerce emails to your customers. Today I am going to show you exactly how to customize every single WooCommerce email template using free plugin. No coding and no expensive pro plugins required. By the end of this video, your transactional emails will look professional, match more brand perfectly and help you stand out from the competition. Alright, let's begin. Very fast, let's check the WooCommerce default email template, then we will customize it. So navigate to the another tab. Alright, as you can see, this is the WooCommerce default email template. Okay, now I want to customize it with free plugin. Alright, so we have to install a free plugin. That's why I go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, then click over here add plugin. Alright, from the right side top, as you can see, search plugins. Just you have to search the plugin name here that you want to install. In this video I want to use WooCommerce email customizer, so type here WooCommerce email customizer. That's great. This is the free plugin WooCommerce email customizer which I want to use in this tutorial. Don't worry, I have given this plugin link in this video description. You can check it from here. Now click here install now, then hit on activate. Alright, after install and activated the plugin, you will be redirected to this area, and this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, a new option is added in left side menu, EA commerce. If I hover on it, then it shows EA mail, health and recommended settings. Then scroll down. As you can see, our installed and activated plugin is showing very bottom of the plugin list. Maybe you can see it very top of the list or middle of the list. Don't worry, just check where is the plugin. Okay, now we can customize the WooCommerce email template from the WooCommerce settings. So hover on WooCommerce, then click over here settings. That's great, and this is the WooCommerce settings panel. As you can see, it has lots of settings tab. Just you have to navigate to the emails tab. That's why in this tutorial we want to learn how to customize or how to edit the WooCommerce default email template. So click over here emails. Alright, this is the WooCommerce email settings panel. If you want to learn about WooCommerce email configuration, then you can check my previous video. In this video we are going to learn how to customize WooCommerce default email template. Okay, as you can see, a new option is added here like customize with email. From here you can customize the WooCommerce email template like new order and other template as well. In this video I will show you only one template like new order. How to customize this template, same way you can edit and customize other template as well. Okay, so click over here customize with email. That's great. Then you will get this interface. From here you can edit this email template, and very fast. As you can see, this is the logo. You can give here your own logo. Just click over here. Okay, then you will get it from in left side. As you can see, this is the change image. So click here and upload your own logo. In this video I want to give this logo only. It's only tutorial purpose or demo purpose. Okay, so you have to give your own logo here. Use this image from the right side bottom. Alright, as you can see, it works perfectly. And new order number 1, it's dynamic, so you do not need to edit it. Okay, then you have received the following order form. This is the client name actually or customer name. So if you want, then you can change this background. Okay, so okay, and if you want, then you can change this background color as well. So click here in left side panel. As you can see, background color. So click here and you can change the background color. So you can give your brand color here like I want to give it. Okay, in this way you can change this background color. Click here, and if you want, then you can change this text. Like just click on this text that you want to edit, then scroll down, then you will get it. As you can see, this is the text. Just you have to edit it. Don't edit this shortcode. Okay, just you have to change this text. You have received the following order form. Like you can give form here, then you have to give your shop name. Like I can give here WP shop. You have to give your own shop name. Okay, then scroll down and if you want, then you can change this background color as well. Okay, I don't want to change it, I want to keep it as a default. Okay, so I want to give here like white color. Okay, that's great. Scroll down, and if you want, then you can change this text as well. Okay, billing address, if you want, then you can change it from here. Then the shipping address, okay, you can change it from here, and it's dynamic. This text come from the checkout page information. Okay, so you don't have to change this text, just you can edit this text, email address and shipping address. And if you want, then you can change this background color as well. Okay, if you want, then you can change this background color, like you can give it here. Actually, you have to give your own brand color. Okay, so I want to give it only for this tutorial purpose. Okay, and you can change this text color as well. Okay, this is the title color on mobile, this is the background. Scroll down and check what is the text color. Okay, so click here, then you'll get it. This is the text color. You can give here like white color. That's perfect. Okay, scroll down, and this is the congratulations on the sale. If you want, then you can change this text. So I want to change this text, so select and click here, scroll down, and as you can see, this is the text. Like you can write here, congratulations for choosing our product. Okay, so type here, congratulations for choosing our product. That's great. If you want, then you can change the text from here. Alright, then, and if you want, then you can add a new section here. Okay, and I want to give a background color here, so select here. Okay, and this is the background color. Like I want to give another color here, and text color will be white. Okay, that's great. Okay, and I want to align this text. Okay, so select it, and like you have to give the padding, like top will be 20 and bottom will be 20 as well. That's great. As you can see, it works perfectly. And again, I want to take any section here, so go to the general, basic and general on column. Okay, give text here. Where is the text? That search, where is the text? Okay, basic and text, again give here, and remove this other text. I want to give here only title. Okay, just type here our discount product. Okay, our discount product, and click here and give a background color. So select it, and this is the background color. I want to give a background color here. I think it will be perfect for it. Okay, and text color will be white. Select it, and this is the text color. Sorry, this is the text color, and give here like white color. Okay, and it will be center. Select this text and give here like center. That's great. Then I want to add some product here, which is discounted product. Okay, so remove this section. Okay, again basic, then the general, one column, just drag and drop here, just below our discounted product here. Click this plus sign, and again go to the back, then the basic and image, just drag and drop here, image. Okay, if you want, then you can give here image only. I want to give here product, so remove it. Okay, again just check where is the image box. Okay, this is the image box. Drag and drop here and give here. Okay, and if you want, then you can give a product, like I want to give a product URL, product image here. So select and give the product image here, like I want to give it. Okay, that's great. Then title, you have to give the product title, and if you want, then you can give description and price as well. Okay, and you can do it from here. Okay, That's great. And if you want to give any link here, then you can do it. Select it, scroll down, and as you can see, this is the image URL. It will get it automatically. You do not need to edit it. Scroll down, and this is the URL. So you have to give the product URL here. So again, go to the website. Like I want to give this product URL. Go to the shop page. Alright, like I want to give this product URL. Okay, so click and open it. Then copy this product URL and go to the editor and give here. Okay, so in this way, if you want, then you can add more product here. Then save it from the right side top, and finally publish it. So click this toggle button and enable this template. Okay, alright, as you can see, this template is enabled. In this way, you can customize, you can edit that you want to show here. Like if you want, then you can add button, text, video that you want. Okay, now go to the website and let's check. Okay, so I want to make an order for this product. Click here, add to cart, then the view cart. Okay, check out, give necessary information here and place order. That's great. As you can see, thank you, your order has been received. Okay, now let's check the email template. So again, go to the email, and it was the previous or default email. So go to the inbox. Okay, again go to the spam folder, click here, spam. Alright, as you can see, I have received the email, so click over here. Okay, and that's great, it works perfectly. Scroll down and image is missing. Maybe the problem appears further, like I am using the free hosting. Okay, so that's why the image does not attest in email. So if you use the real hosting or pro hosting, then the problem will be solved. That's it. And in this way, you can edit the WooCommerce default email template and give a professional look for your WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.